mobile app, you just go on Play Store. You use the search button here. I'm also that like no need to do first mobile app up. I needed to install, but now I already have the mobile app, so I just up Cameroon's examination guide. Here they tell you to log in as connectable continue. You need to log in, but when you don't have a login, when you don't have an email or password registered with the mobile app, you need to register here. Use this button down here, register here. Takes you to the register page where you need to now input your email, you put your password, and you confirm it. But since I already have an account with the Cameroon's examination guide app, I just need to log in. Here I input my email. My password. You can't enter the code, you just type it whatsoever you're entering. Log in. At this phase of the mobile app, they tell you to choose your subsystem verification. Since you already have both the French and the English subsystem verification, so you need to choose that subsystem you're best with or you are engaged with. So I'm an Anglophone and I'm using the English subsystem verification. English. Here you see now the examination class guide, the concours guide, you're seeing exam syllabus, you're seeing ministerial decrees, ministerial communiques, the subject syllabus, and here's logout. So I'll basically first of all take the examination class guide, where you'll be seeing past examination questions, you see exams result, you'll see here is for administrators only. So here, past examination questions that you see ordinary level, advanced level, technical and vocational training questions and all that. Like, just take an example. Let's take the DCA advanced level. Here you'll be having questions for each subject. Like for each subject, different subjects as you have past questions from June 2000 to the current date. In all the subjects you've seen here, you can slide down. Take for example, we are looking for questions in ICT. In ICT, I'll take my domain. ICT, here are past questions for ICT. You can see for yourself. Here are past questions for ICT. So you get back. So all these questions have been included. You have ordinary level same. You have the technical and vocational training same. So here you have exam results. Here this is where you get your results as maybe you just see ordinary level. You can get the results for 2020 from here already. Those who still want to review their results can always come to Cameroon's examination guide to look for those results which made them happy during the time. So advanced level, all these results are already included in this mobile app. So what we will do is we'll go to the concours section, concours guide section, where you'll be seeing upcoming concours. You see information about upcoming concours in Cameroon, seeing past examination questions and all the like. So, for example, this is the only section which needs connection, need internet connection to access it. So these are upcoming concours in Cameroon and all the like for you to register. Here we have past concours questions. You'll be seeing questions for public work, you'll be seeing past questions for FSH and all the like. So here are the questions. As you can see, just taking a quick review. The medicine is well organized. Just for medicine schools, you don't even know schools concern medicine in Cameroon. You can always come to mobile app to take all the from medicine schools. Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Faculty of Beyond the Calua, FSH, all like Katu. Get engineering schools too. You get National Advanced for Post and Telecommunication, Polytechnic Yaoundé, Polytechnic Douala, all those information. So since I'm taking a quick review, we'll just go to the next concours results. The concours results section, you get the results for all universities, all the results which are out of it, like Polytechnic Yaoundé. Here are the results. Here all the results are for Polytechnic Yaoundé and all the like. So since I'm taking a quick review, I'll just go back. Here you'll be having ministerial communiques, that's decrees which are signed by the ministry directly to tell you information about changes on your results and all the like. Here you'll be having examination syllabus, having biology syllabus, physics syllabus and all the like advanced level. Take for example advanced level, this is biology syllabus for lower and upper. Everything has been included in the mobile app. Still working on it, but progress. And the section for ordinary level. So for each section, we've subdivided into sections. Subdivided into sections. These are physics syllabus for ordinary level. That's from 1 to up to from 5 and everything. We leave from examination syllabus, we go to study tips. Study tips basically when people know how to study perfectly. They don't know how to be consistent in study. So we have given some study tips here which help you go through that examination preparations and stress management. This one was brought up by the Camus examination guide and group itself. You start down, brought up this. Never mind, and as it isn't clear when you zoom, you'll be able to see everything and clearly. We have how to be consistent in studies. All those things have been included. In some sections, we took some of these results from lecturers of the university and all that. Secret study, final exam, student tips, and everything. That's everything you need is in this mobile app. Just go download it on Play Store and you'll be marveled with what you get. Here is the privacy section, the about section. You can read about our privacy and our policies. We don't collect your information for any misuse. That we collect your information like your email to be able to send automatic pop-ups to your phone when there are any changes in the mobile app. That's the reason why we collect the email address. So you could equally use the search button, search bar to navigate through the mobile app. So you've seen all you needed to know, you've seen all you needed to see. The English Self-Serve Education, as I told you, is a very large platform. It's worked on. It's not been easy. We've been consistent and we have been able to bring up this platform. So we're going directly into the French Self-Serve Education. Just need to tap the back button. It takes me here. There the French Self-Serve Education. Permit me talk in French now. Ici, on aurait le guide des classes d'examen, on aurait le guide des concours, on aurait des programmes, communiquer et actualité, on aurait des conseils d'études, déconnecter. Si vous voulez vous déconnecter, vous utilisez ce bouton. Ici, on a les guides des classes d'examen. Comme on avait changé le système, on avait changé la manière de mettre les épreuves, on parle maintenant de l'APC. On est en train de travailler sur ce système d'éducation, sur le système francophone. Donc, les épreuves de BPC, vous avez les épreuves de BPC, les épreuves de patois, les épreuves de baccalauréat. On a IP, série D, série C, série A, épreuves en commun. Donc, il y a les questions de philosophie, il y a les questions de physique, il y a les questions de mathématiques, tout ça. Les épreuves de baccalauréat pour baccalauréat sont les mêmes. Il y a aussi les questions série D, série C. Il y a toutes ces questions. On a encore bien travaillé sur ce système d'éducation. Comme on n'a pas la maîtrise de ce système d'éducation, on a encore prendre notre temps. Il y a des guides des concours déjà inclus aussi. Il y a les concours à venir là où vous allez choisir. Lorsque vous prenez ce bouton, vous allez voir les concours à venir, upcoming concours. Vous allez voir les épreuves des concours. Vous allez voir les arrêts, vous allez voir les résultats des concours. Très organisé. Ici, il y a des programmes qu'on a aussi inclus. BPC, probatoire, baccalauréat général, baccalauréat général, probatoire technique. Tout ça sont déjà inclus. Non, je travaille encore bel et bien sur ce système d'éducation. Vous allez les communiquer et les actualités sortant du ministère pour si on a changé les épreuves ou comment l'épreuve est maintenant et tout ça. Il y a aussi les conseils d'études. On a aussi inclus les conseils d'études, comment mieux étudier, comment. Donc voilà ce qu'on appelle Cameroun's Examination Guide. On est hors pour vous aider. L'application, on ne vend pas l'application. C'est seulement pour vous aider à mieux vous engager dans vos études et d'avoir 100% dans tout vos concours. Merci bel et bien. Je m'appelle Apopésie Moses, étudiant de l'École nationale supérieure de poste et télécommunications, également fondateur de l'application Camille Guide. Merci et à bientôt.